Welcome back to Aunt Cici's Kitchen, and today's video is going to be how to turn the crust of your bread into breadcrumbs. First, I will be washing my hands, so that is very essential. Clean hands. Then I'm gonna dry my hands. Then I'm gonna put the bread, the crust of the bread into the pan. Let me put it all to sit. Turn your oven to 350 or 375 degrees. After your oven is heated, you can let your crust bake for at least 10 to 15 minutes. So now I'm gonna put my pan of crust bread into the oven. So now my bread crust is finally finished. I'm gonna let it sit for a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna start crumbling my crust into breadcrumbs. Now I'm gonna be crumbling my crust. You can crumble it with your hands, or you can easily use a grater, or you can use a food processor. When you finish crumbling your crumbs, you can add garlic, parsley, onion powder, or any of those seasonings to help jazz it up. And this will be your finished product.